Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Rise 5 number 3. I only got about an hour, so let's get right into it. So back to the Clipper. Let me go ahead and take yesterday's stream. Go ahead and add VOD, drop it in here, find 20 clips. I'm not sure if we can out of this video, it's kind of quiet. Alright, so first it's going to check and see if we have any closed captions already. And it looks like the closed captions are generated for this, and they are timestamped, so we don't even need to run AI transcription services on it. Alright, now it's going through the transcript and using Claude programmatically with -P to actually generate all the clips. Okay, I do see one issue though, is that it's all of these clips are from I just gave the Clipper a link to yesterday's stream, and it's generating clips. At least the titles are being generated from the other VODs that we've already previously uploaded. Please make sure that the transcription service only actually attempts to transcribe and find shorts for the VOD link that we provided. That I want to make a new session. Please go ahead and start the deployment process. Go ahead and deploy to staging, and then once staging is good, we will upgrade production. folks will review the admin dashboard. Please tell me how to access the development admin dashboard that's running on local station 1 for the development environment that updates in real time. Prepare for discussion, tell me how to access it, and then we will begin making changes. Clipping should only happen on the VODs that we're trying to generate a clip for. Please make sure it only corresponds to the uploaded link. Don't generate VODs for any of the other VODs that we already have in the system. Please think deeply about this and address the root of the issue. Transcriptions, we can actually stop this, we're done with that. What do we need to do? Please review the Consortium agent harness for OpenClaw and Hermes on the agents page. Review it end to end from agent profile creation, agent profile deployment, and agent cloud sync with end-to-end encryption. Please review this deeply and prepare for a discussion. Please review why the Consortium local production daemon that we're running on local station 1 is not properly working on the Mac Mini or Local Station 2. They keep turning on and off intermittently, but you also notice that they are running an older version. How can we make sure that Local Station 2 and the Mac Mini are properly running the most up-to-date version of the Consortium data? Please review the VPS provisioning. Please review our virtual private server system and how we monetize and resell VPSs. Prepare for discussion. Alright, let's try and regenerate another VOD. Please make it so that all of the clips that show up after a VOD generation just show a preview of what the title would look like and the transcription. Please make it so when we hit preview or generate, by clicking a button, then it should actually do the AI composition of the clip. And we want to make it as automated as possible to minimize any required AI inference. Ideally, we can run entirely without AI. Please think deeply about how to implement this and then prepare for a discussion. audit even further to identify any other issues, and then break them down in simple bullet points one by one, and then prepare for a technical discussion. Agents. We got a bunch of agents running. We need to clean these up. Right now I'm R-syncing the daemon off of local station 1 and putting it on 2 in the Mac Mini. So that would fix our intermittent connection issues on that daemon on the old version. And then, let's see, admin dashboard. Sounds good. Let's do the full plan. Okay, so is it the link process VOD? It keeps processing clips from the other VODs that I've uploaded previously. It should be fixed now, we'll see. Yo, what up, Meta? Yep, I am in the woods. I'll send you a picture of it. I set up. Vibe in nature, man. Working on your AI agent harness for writing prose. The issues still persist. When I go to upload a VOD, it's still generating clips from previous uploads that we've submitted to the system. Please think deeply about this and fix the root of the issues so that when I go to generate clips for a video, that it's not referencing the other videos. A replay, as in like a time lapse. Like I'm sitting there writing down my thoughts and ideas, and then I kind of watch it evolve. It's like a final replay. please review all of the agents that are currently running on local station 1. Please give me a list of all of the agents that are currently running. Mini though. Give me a prompt to give to the Mac Mini to enable Tailscale SSH. Once we can get the daemon running on the Mac Mini, that's gonna give us some more headroom to actually do some stuff, because I got 5 sessions open right now, and I really want to be running like a dozen at a time. And then the local station is cramped for headroom, so... Worked. Alright, and then please make it so it doesn't automatically start generating all of the clips. We just want to see the preview title and the transcript, and then if I actually like what I see, I should be able to run the script to generate the clip based off the title and the transcript. Please add a button to manually run the script for each clip. Open a cloud terminal directly in the Mac Mini. have a 5 kilowatt hour, 51 volt, eco-worthy battery with a SunGold power 5 kilowatt inverter. How can we monitor the battery percentage over Wi-Fi? I might use ESP32 and hook it up to my battery so I can monitor the power remotely. Let's get back to the clips. I think most people naturally discover other content creators through what's in their feed. Please add a setting to the clips so we can adjust the time scale. Please make it a smooth slider between 1 and 2 in something at increments, but just because I talk too slow, so I need to speed up these clips a little bit and then cut out the filler. So let's watch this. Like most people that I find, I'll pull up my shorts. I don't even want to clip to begin with. We only want to stop the OpenClaw services. You have to enter your password. This is nuts, but okay. And then and then you can use the application. You have to enter your password. This is nuts, but okay. And then you can use the application. You have to enter your password. This is nuts, but okay. And then you can use the application. Okay, so yeah, it does take over 24 hours to actually generate closed captions for a stream. Yeah, you can tell I had a very interesting stream because this is like, out of an entire transcript, this is one of my most interesting clips, I think so. It's just 30 seconds of silence, pretty much. Alright, I think the Mac Mini is running the new daemon. No.
I do intend on chatting with the homies in Discord at some point on stream. Yeah, I'm gonna start streaming twice a day. I'm gonna do it in the morning, like I am now, and also in the evenings. And then, yeah, the morning stream is, I don't know, just a chill, laid-back stream. I just woke up. I don't have a lot of energy to be hype and entertaining. I'm just trying to get some work done before my day starts. And if I'm gonna sit in front of a screen, I might as well just sit in front of a camera too. But yeah, thanks for stopping in here, Meta. I appreciate it. It's good to see you. But yeah, I'll chat with you in Discord soon. Yeah. Thanks, dog. I thought you'd seen me before, but I guess not. Or maybe for the times in which I have shown myself, they weren't all that clear. See, like, I've wrestled with the idea of streaming for a while. It's like, I don't know, you know me. I'm pretty privacy conscious. And blasting your face all over the internet is like the last thing you can do for your privacy, so. But at this point, I don't really care. Yeah, I don't have to focus hard on the code at all. Like, all I do is I go between my sessions, I read my paragraphs, see what they're doing, and then I just talk to it. Like, I'm actually sitting like 3 or 4 feet away from my desk. Like, I just have my mouse and the keyboard in my lap. So, I'm just kicking back, reading this from a distance and talking into the microphone. Yeah, the shades do, because like, what is one of the most recognizable features? It's like the eyes. Like when you look at pictures of terrorists, they always black out the eyes. For like special forces, they black out the eyes. So, yeah, that is why I wear the shades. So it gives me like a little bit of a layer of privacy. Yeah, so really the intent for the next month, I'm participating in the 2026 Summer Vibeathon hosted by BridgeMind. And really the whole point of the Vibeathon is to just grow your product and your brand. So over the next month, I'm just going to be streaming myself doing it live. And yeah, dog fooding my own product. So like right now I'm using Consortium to make a clipping system so I can take all of these streams and make little clips and snippets and then post them on YouTube with my best highlights. So I can, I'm essentially trying to build my growth engine right now. But then ultimately it is all about marketing and building up the Consortium brand. So yeah, dog fooding my product to make my product, and people can watch me use it and make it in real time. I would definitely recommend it. I think the direction that everything is going in really requires branding, a lot of branding, and personal brands are very valuable. Yeah, start producing. Everyone should start producing. Yo, what up? My languages. Good to see you. Yeah, you guys should definitely get in on this. I know my languages is starting to get into content creation.
I think most people now.
Alright, I got like another 15 minutes and then I gotta go start my day. I gotta go labor away at a day job. The one thing I need to do before I leave is make sure that the Mac Mini is properly set up. So, nope, it's still running on the old daemon. I can't select it. Alright, it's actually still working on it, that's why. Please review the UI UX on the still thinking. Please review the UI UX on the VOD page. We want to clean up all of the settings options. At the top, please think about how to clean them up. Propose a plan for approval. And be lazy with it. Auto detect.
I think most people naturally discover.
Alright. That looks good. Now can I
other content creators through what's in their feed.
Yeah. Yeah, I gotta get better at talking in front of the camera, but that'll come. Cool. Yep, you know best, Claude. Go ahead and do it. Sweet. Alright, the Mac Mini's working. New session. Thank you,
Have a
Jesus.
strong password? You'll forget it. And whether your password is strong or weak, hackers may already have it.
Hey, how's it going?
That's
Are you
why
working?
it's time to go passwordless with Duo. Phishing season is over. Learn more at duo.com.
Granger offers professional-grade
Cool.
products, easy
It's working.
ordering, and next-day delivery,
Alright,
making
now we have
them
more
the
headroom.
go-to play for everyone keeping arenas game
Oh,
day
yeah.
ready. Call,
these
click,
ads
or
off.
just stop by. Granger, for the ones who get it done.
For the ones who get it done. That's us, guys. Please review the Consortium repository in Vibeathon/Consortium. Please review any uncommitted changes and prepare for discussion. Please promote staging to production. I didn't even test staging, so maybe we should take a look at it first. Looks good to me. That works great. What's new? Pretty sweet. consumption on a M4 Mac Mini. 16 gigs. Yeah, I'm getting in the habit of using speech to text. It's actually pretty good. Yeah, I just started like 3 days ago when I started streaming. Like, I've had this feature for months and I never use it. I just sit there and I type. But it's not very engaging just to sit there and watch someone type. It's a lot more engaging to actually listen to them talk. Sessions cranking away. Do the math for me. How long will that run on 5 kilowatts? Wow. A week. Okay, 3 days. Resonexa, how are you? I'm doing good. Thank you. Getting ready to actually wrap up the early morning stream here in a few minutes and start my day. Gotta go do my day job and then come back and do it again. What are you up to this morning? Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and try and generate the next VOD. Got this set up on my phone so I can just work on my clips while I'm out and about today. Alright, process. Yeah, the nice thing about this script is it just takes like 30 seconds to actually generate all the clips off the captions and the transcriptions. Just like that, it's already gone through it all. And we get another moment, and it'll start populating. seem somewhat unintuitive, please consider how a traditional video and audio timeline editor looks like. Think from first principles and try to make it as seamless as possible, both on a desktop and mobile experience. Propose a plan and prepare for a discussion. If we were to commit and push these changes to main, would they conflict with any existing changes? Alright, well that was the... I was wondering why local station 1 was performing so poorly and being maxed out all the time with CPU usage, and it turns out it was actually a whole bunch of OpenClaw agents that were stuck in a bad state, and then a Hermes agent that kept just crash looping. So I'm sitting here wondering why I'm at 100% CPU usage. Well, there you go. It's because I got a dozen OpenClaw agents running in a bad state, and Hermes that just keeps crashing over and over again. Well, that's fixed. Alright, so we're having an agent go over the VPS provisioning system. We're cleaning up the user interface on the clipping system. The deployment pipeline's going through right now and going from staging to production, so all of our latest changes will be up to date. And we just cleaned up all of our dead agents, and we're going to keep reviewing the agent system so we can have one-click deploy for OpenClaw and Hermes. Let's return to the plan. Let's please discuss the current OpenClaw and Hermes implementation. Please explain to me where we are and then where we need to be from first principles. Cool, that sounds good. Please explain to me all of the uncommitted work. this up in the next 5 minutes, and then I gotta get going. And the nice thing about it is, you know, when I walk away from my setup here, I can keep doing everything off my phone. I can just wander away right now and just keep doing all of this on my phone. There's no reason I need to be stuck here at this desk. But so that's the nice thing about Consortium, is that, you know, when you have obligations, you actually have to go out and about in the world. You can just keep doing everything you're doing. Yeah, thanks, Reza. You have a good day too. Yeah, I'm actually just going to go ahead and hop off now and get ready for my day, and then I'll be back in 8 to 9 hours. Do it again, and then go to sleep, and then wake up, and do it again, and then get ready to go to work, and do it again, and again. Cool. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you later this evening. Have a good one, guys.